Well, I was going to put the airbox on today, but I first had to put on the choke cable, and unfortunately the choke doesn't seem to be working with the cable attached. I've had a look at another set of these particular PD carbs, only for an F2, and there's some sort of weird spring-loaded type arrangement that doesn't seem to be working properly on this set of carbs, so I can't put the airbox on. So I farted around a bit and thought, oh, I wonder if I could do something about that noisy exhaust. So just for the time being, I rednecked this wonderful joint on either side of the pipes, and I've got to say that the bike sounds a bit better now than it did yesterday. How good's that? Nice and quiet. I only wish I had a brand new set of these. I'd stick them straight on because they're really good pipes. I'm more than happy with that sound. Where's the horn work? No, the horn doesn't work. It must have unhooked it. Anyway, it's nice and quiet now. And the engine is really quiet, which is great. I mean, I've had some really rattly Honda doors over the years, but this one's a ripper. I wonder if I can do something like my redneck repair, but only in metal. That'd be great. What a nice bike. Anyway, here's the goer. The engine's great, and so I just need to finish putting it together. Thanks very much for watching.